Hello guys, how you guys doing? Once again, si Real Talk. And ngayon, our topic for today is yung sa sinabi ni Trump. Matagal na to kasi napanood ko tong sabi ni napanood ko tong show ni Christian Esguerra. Okay? Tapos yung ini-interview niya, sabi daw racist si Trump. Okay? O sabi niya may pagka-racist si Trump. Okay? Dahil sa sinabi niya before na S-whole countries. So, titignan natin to at titignan natin kung sinabi ba talaga ni Trump yon. At, okay, ano yung context. Okay? So, okay, sige. Simulan na natin. Ito yung clip.
Nandito. I mean, technically, di ba okay yun? Pero, why is he also getting a lot of heat when it comes to that?
Well, the thing is this, may kahalong racism kasi yan. If you remember, there...
Okay. Sabi niya may pagkahalong racism. Okay? So, ipi-play ko pa siguro mga 30 seconds pa.
Was that statement he made that, he would prefer migrants from Norway, no? And not from what he said, shithole countries, no? Meaning the colored countries in the world, which is the major...
Oh, yan no, sabi niya, colored countries. Okay?
Majority, no? So my visceral racist there was racism there that was involved, no? Ngayon, in terms of yung support for his migration policies, that's really true, no? Because in the sense na there have been a lot of migrants that have already stabilized their situation in terms of the papers, no? That basically are saying that, hey, we went through the process,
okay,
and why can't the others go?
Alright, masyado na mahaba. Pero ito yung sa sinabi niya to dito uulitin ko para klaro, para clear.
Involved, no? Ngayon, in terms racist, there was racism there that was involved, no? Ngayon, in terms of yung support for his migration policies, that's really true, no? Because in the sense na there have been a lot of...
Okay, sabi niya may racism, okay? So hanggang doon na lang kasi eto may sabi dito si Ben Shapiro. Okay? So titignan natin yung sabi ni Ben Shapiro Titignan natin, ikukumpara natin dito sa sabi ni dito yung si Manong. Sorry Manong, hindi ko nakita yung pangalan nyo So ito. Okay, so tatanggalin ko muna to. Papasok ko dito si Ben Shapiro. Okay, let's go.
We don't know the context of the comments. It's unclear where Trump made these comments, but here is what he said. We don't know whether he was talking about the Visa Diversity Lottery Program or whether he was talking about targeted deportation of illegal immigrants from particular countries. That does make a difference because here's what Trump supposedly said. He said, quote, "Why are we having all these people from bleep hole countries come here?" Bleep is another word for poop. Okay, why are we having all these people from bleep hole countries come here? And then the Post continues, Trump then suggested that the United States should instead bring more people from countries such as Norway, whose prime minister he met with Wednesday. The president, according to a White House official, also suggested he would be open to more immigrants from Asian countries because
Paano ba yan? Ayan, Asian countries. Sabi ni Manong, racist. Sabi mo yan, Manong, ha? Sabi mo yan. Ito lang na, tapos, ito kinu-quote ni Ben Shapiro yung sabi ni Trump.
he felt they helped the United States economically. He then reportedly
Help the economic state of the US. Now, totoo naman mga bossing. Sa buong mundo, may mga basurang countries. Totoo yan. Okay? And there are good countries and there are bad countries. Okay? Dito pa nga, nagbigay pa nga dito si Ben Shapiro na yun nga, sa North Korea. Akin, thinking about it, ang naiisip ko, Afghanistan, ganon, yung mababa, yung mataas yung rape ng children doon sa Afghanistan, yung mga countries na sobrang taas ng prostitution, sobrang weak ng GDP nila, yung mga ganon countries. Okay? So, totoo naman na may good and bad countries. So, ayun Kasi, nami-misunderstood si Trump. Madalas to nangyayari, pati dito na nami-misunderstood siya Pero hindi naman talaga racist si Trump. Marami pa nga siyang mga picture na na mga interviewee niya, mga colored people, katulad ni Larry Elder, Candace Owen. So, hindi ko alam kung kung paano mo nasabi na racist si Trump. Kasi hindi naman, pati sa sa organization niya makikita mo na yes, maraming mga white, pero may mga black din, may mga Hispanic din. Okay? So, yun lang Sabi mo kasi, sabi mo racism especially on the colored countries. Ayun, ulit sasabi ni Ben Shapiro. Kasi kinu-quote niya yung sinabi ni Trump.
make a difference because here's what Trump supposedly said. He said, quote, why are we having all these people from bleep hole countries come here? Bleep is another word for poop. Okay, why are we having all these people from bleep hole countries come here? And then the Post continues, Trump then suggested that the United States should instead bring more people from countries such as Norway, whose prime minister he met with Wednesday. The president, according to a White House official, also suggested he would be open to more immigrants from Asian countries.
Ayan Ito, tapos na Wala ka ng panlaban dito Sinabi niya, Asian countries. So, mga boss, yun lang, tapos na panalo na wala na So, yun lang. I hope you guys have a good day and I'm peacing out.